Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, my name is John, and usually what I do is I like to shop for on sales item, discount with promotions, buy one get one free, stuff like that. Okay, so if you're into those kind of stuff, you come to the right place. And on and off, I do like an unbox of a certain items, that I purchase, and sometimes I do like maintenance on my car, and then I'll post those kind of videos as well. But if you follow my, I think my last video that I did the promotions on the Gearwrench, the ratchet right here. First, it was on sale for about $67 or $61. I thought it was already a great deal. But when I signed into Amazon, and it just happened to be like $43, and oh my God, and I didn't click buy fast enough, so I bought it. I think it came in a couple of days ago, about 4 days ago, and so in this video, I'm gonna unbox it, I'm gonna remove it, and I'm actually let you guys see and feel and see what it looks like. But on the back of the content, you can see, I don't know if you can read it, but it says the 1/4 inch is 0.64 centimeter, and the 3/8 is 0.95 centimeter, and the half is 1.27 centimeter. Okay, and this one is made by Apex Tool Group, and it's made in Taiwan. So this is like the back of it. So now we're just gonna cut it open. As you can see here, it's already ripped. I guess maybe during shipping, they didn't package it well enough or good enough. But as you can see, there's no damage to the ratchet itself. Like I stated in my previous video, I have a lot of ratchets already, but it just sometimes when I see discount, I just couldn't hold myself and just click the buy button. I think for $43, and you get 3 of them, and this one is you get a lifetime warranty on it. So this is the best deal you can get out there. One, two, three. Wow. So other than that, you just get this foam. I guess I can keep this and just as a holder, but put that aside. So as you can see, this is a 1/4 one. So let's see if you can feel it or hear it, the click. Can you guys hear it? Very slight movement, and you can hear a click. So this one, that when we're in the tight spaces, they'll be perfect. Really nice. See, this is the 1/4 one, and I'm gonna pick up the 3/8 so you guys can see it. This is the 3/8 right here. Okay, and now let's hear the 3/8. I would have to say this is really, it feels really good, just to hear the clicking as well. Beautiful. Now I'm going to compare the 3/8 along with the 1/2 inch. Wow, the 1/2 inch, you can really feel the heaviness of it. Really good. I think I bought a 1/2 inch by, I forgot, Williams. I think from Williams, and it cost me about $60 alone, just similar to this. Okay, and this one, $43. You get a total of 3 of them, all 3. Really nice. I have a snap-on set that I've been using. Can't complain with that one, but I think this one is like barely move it and you can hear the click. So really, really good. Okay, and I think I'll have like a model number stamp on this one. For the quarter one, 8101, 81011P. Okay. For the 3/8, you have 8121 1P. For the quarter, it's 81304P. And again, guys, for $43, you get a set of 3 of this. This one, it has a lifetime warranty on it. So you use it, you pass it on to your son pass it on to his son, you know, forever and forever. And I can't wait to use it. But I think 43, that's the best money I've ever spent on a set of ratchets. So this one right here, like the deals at the $43 was the lowest that I've seen. But usually, like, I think they on and off, they have like maybe 2 or 3 times out of a year where you can get it for about $67 for a set of 3. Okay, which is not bad at all. But for $43, it's just it's like a giveaway. Okay, so that's pretty much it for about this video. If you guys like it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you have any comment and suggestion, leave it in the section below. But other than that, it's Saturday. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.